Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your own YouTube subscription. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. From here, all you have to do is to log into your YouTube account. And now once you go to the main page on your browser or on your phone, all you have to do is to go to the top right section for your profile. Then you're going to click on purchases and memberships. Once you click on it right here, then it's going to load you to this new page. And from here, as you see, offers from YouTube, YouTube Premium or YouTube Music. And for you to select whatever you want, click on YouTube Premium. And from here, it's going to show you this page, all YouTube, no interruptions. And you can try for 1 month, or you can use a family or student plan. And from here, you can buy whatever plan you would like. But if you'd want one for a much cheaper price, then I would much recommend to go to the bottom of the video right here. Either first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below is going to get you to a website called Gamsgo. Gamsgo is a subscription-based website where you can just share a subscription with other people, like one small family. It's very secure, and as you can see, for 1 month on YouTube Premium, it's only €5.49. But with the YouTube normal one, then as you can see, this currency right here is going to be for much higher, and so this is a much preferred option. Once you join us, just click on the link down in the description, go to website, log in or sign up, and then you can get your own. And there are other subscriptions that you would like other than YouTube. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.